Good morning, guys. Good day, guys. So, welcome to my vlog again. Me and my husband. So, for today's vlog, so we're going to travel to Plymouth, Cambridge to Plymouth. Kay sundoon na namo amo ang sakyanan nga nadaot dito. So, mag-bus mi karon. So, come and join us sa muang biyahe from Cambridge. Now we're waiting for the bus. So, naa siya in time schedule ang bus nila dire. So, come and join us, guys. See ya! Here, this is the Cambridge. So, muna siya mo ang town hall diri. So, muna siya. Ulat niya. So, park ang nasa likod. So, we're here na in bus. Hi, Daddy. More than a month. Thank you, Kuya. Bye-bye. That's all for today's vlog. Thank you.